we are going to understand without CSS, only using HTML, how to divide the page into multiple blocks. Okay, so in this, all the layouts are completely different. All can be done through the HTML only. Okay, so question is how to divide the page into multiple blocks using HTML. We have 2-3 answers. This one you can do through the table also. You can do through the frame set also. You can use through the division plus CSS also. You can use the bootstrap also. Okay, 3-4 methods. So we are here now only in HTML. So in HTML, what solution we have that will help us to do that? Okay, so that is we are going to work on this. That is called a output tag, output element, output element, output element that is called frame set, FRAMEST, frame set and frames, FRAMES. Frame set and frames. Output element. Okay, output element. This is going to not going to ask the input. It is going to design something that will give you the output. Okay, so that you have to use a tag called frame set and you have to use one more tag called frame, not S. This S is not there, only frame. FRAME, frame. Okay, so how to make this? Let's come and you will create a folder here. Don't mix everything together. See, I have created this many files here. Will not mix now. We'll create a folder called frame set. Frame set. Create a folder called frame set. On anywhere in system D drive, F drive, or HTML, or in a web technology folder, you can create a folder called frame set. Frame set. Okay, hope folder is ready. Inside this frame set folder, you will create the file. You will not store here there. Else it will become difficult to identify and run it. Okay. So make sure we are going to save all the file in one place. Frame set folder is created. Under the frame set folder, we are going to create a file home1.html, home1.html. Under the frame set folder, you will save the file home1.html, home1.html. Under the frame set folder, we will save the file home1.html. You can go to the frame set folder and verify once the file is there or not. In frame set folder, go inside and have a look. You have a file home1.html. Okay. Now, under the frame1.html file, suppose under the home1.html file, suppose if you are going to follow this structure, the first one. So in first one, how many blocks? 3 blocks. Total height you are dividing into 3 rows. This is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row. Okay. So we are going to follow a tag. That tag will help us to break the page into row wise or column wise. So see, the tag name is this one. The tag name is called this frame set. It has a property called rows. If you follow the rows, it will break the page as a row wise. If you follow the property called calls, it will break the page as a column wise. Okay. Now come inside this file. Start from HTML and don't use the body tag. HTML and don't use the body tag. HTML open close, and inside that we will be following inside that we will be following frame set. Why not body? I will guide on that. Let's first get idea on frame set. So frame set is open and frame set is close. After that, after open and close of the frame set, in frame set, we are going to follow a property called rows, R-O-W-S, rows. Rows, R-O-W-S, rows. Rows is a property, it will help you to break your page into multiple rows. Now, how many rows we are going to create? It's our own requirement. So, the design says how many? 3. The photo we have designed, this design says we are going to wear in how many columns? 3 columns. Let's go. So, even all 3s are not equal. All 3 are different as well. First is little less, middle is bigger, last is little smaller than middle. Okay? So you can say, suppose total height of the screen is 100%, total width of the screen is also 100%. Okay. Don't calculate in pixel, calculate in percentage. Suppose mine is a small screen. I will say 100%. If you will say 100%, yours maybe screen is 2000 pixel, mine is 800 pixel. So your 2000 also call is 100%, my 800 also call is a 100%. Okay, if we say the calculation of 900, then in the 2000 screen it will work better, but in 800 screen it will not work better. Something here there will happen. Okay, so row says like you have total height 100%. 100%, how many pieces you want to break? So we say first we'll have 10%, 1 block, comma. Okay. So first row will be 10% height. Row represent the height. Okay. Row represent the height. So what we are going to do, total height of the screen, we are going to break into 3 pieces, 3 rows, not 3 columns, 3 rows. First, second, third, top to bottom. So 10%. After that, next will be suppose 75%. 75%. Third will be remaining 15%. Then 75 and then 15. 10, 75 and then 15. Ready. See, possibility of the mistake is some people will do double 10% in one double quote, 75% in another double quote, and 15% in another double quote. Not like that. All are in one double quote only, starting from here to here. Assume like double quote start, double quote end, and total is 100%. Now 100% you split into the number of Rows how many? So we made how many rows? 3 rows. Okay. So frame set will do this much. Now after that, you will have one row of the total height 10% of the screen. Second will be 75% of the screen. Last will be 15% of the screen. Okay. So in first 10%, what you want to do? We have to write. Second 75%, what we want to do? Last 15%, what we want to do? Okay. Now let's see. Let's follow a tag here called FRAME, frame, open and close. Open, close 3 times. Open, close, you do 3 times. Okay. So first frame will go to the 10%. Second frame will go to the 75. Last frame will go to the 15. Okay. It will follow in sequence. Now let us say frame set will help you to divide the page into multiple blocks, maybe column wise or row wise. Frame will help you. Frame set will help you for what purpose? To divide either in the row or columns. Okay. Now frame will help you to load a different file. Like suppose we are breaking into 3 blocks. So in first block, what you want to display, you have to create a separate file and you have to include here. In the second block, what you want to display, you have to create a separate file and include here. And in the third block, what we want to display, again, we have to create a separate file. So that we are going to call now. So frame set will help to divide the page into multiple blocks, either row wise or column wise. And frame will help you to include a file, to call a file. Okay, so let's go. SRC means under the frame, we are going to call a file. SRC call is a source. What is the source inside? So we'll write a file here called header.html. Header.html. Okay, file is not there as of now. No problem. We will be creating. SRC equal to, we'll create a file called welcome.html. Okay. SRC equal to footer.html. Header, welcome, footer. Okay, done. Save the file. File is not exist. Header, footer, welcome is not there as of now. It will say page not found. Okay. Now, after saving the file, you run that and check your page is divided into 3 blocks. Save the file, run it, check once the page is dividing into 3 blocks. In the Zoom chat, yes, no should come. Let me show you how that look. That should look like this. That should look like this. Come fast. Okay, it's loading. Look like this. See, first block, second block, and then again third block, right? 3 blocks. This should look like this. Okay, Chrome, Mozilla, anything you follow, no problem. Check once. You have not given any extension to your file. Save as. Go to the file. Save as button. Leave your .html. Name set.html. Not name set. We are given home one, right? Give home one.html. home1.html. Save it, Control S. No, that. Yeah. There is a button here. Go to the file, open in Mozilla. Here you will SET. FRAMESET. Here also SE. Very good. 11% replied. Working. Okay, so look at here. Right? Now we have to create a file called header, welcome, and then footer. So let's create a new file, header.html. New file in the same folder. Which folder? Frame set. Frame set folder. Create a new file, header.html. Save as. You create a new file and do the save as. Okay, so in header file, you will start from HTML and you will follow the direct body tag and give the BG color. BG color, orange color. Write here one paragraph. Keep align as center. Center. Write here call. I am from header file. Yes. Okay, after doing that, you can run this file also and you can run home file also. This file you run or not run, no matter. Just refresh your home one. Okay, save the code, go to the home file, refresh. Okay. Align as a center. I am from header file. Now, which file you run? Home one. Save this file and run home one, because this header is calling under the home file only. After saving that, see, I will refresh my home file, home one. Then you will find header will come on the top. Save that. And you can check header separate is working or not. Run the header file, individual. Header is working individual. Individual also you can check, or you can refresh the home page also. So for header, we are given how much height? 10% of the height in the home one. So header will come and it will present their content into the 10% of the height in the home one page. Okay, next file is called welcome.html. Create the next file, welcome.html. Next file, welcome.html. Clear? So something like this. Your header file is working here, or you can run the header separate also. You can run the header separate and see header is printing anything, orange color background and the text in the white color, black color. Okay, then next file will be welcome.html. As per the home file, how many required? Header is ready. Next is called welcome. So you create the next file called welcome. Next file called welcome.html. Welcome.html. So start from HTML. Body. We can follow inside. H1. Align at center. Welcome home. Align as center if they're welcome home. Write a paragraph also. Align as center only. Inside we can keep some text. Check now. Welcome file should work. Welcome file should work. Welcome file will also work. Separate if we run, welcome file will work in the white screen, and then Text simple like this. Next file will create footer.html. Next file will create footer.html. Footer.html. If I run my home file, how that look? That should look like this. Header on the top and welcome in between. Footer is missing still. We will create the footer file. Footer.html file. Footer.html. Next file. Open the HTML. Follow the body tag. Right inside. BG color equal to something. Blue color. So background will convert into blue color. Write a paragraph. And this paragraph should come in center. Align equal to center. Now inside that, see the background is blue color. Under the blue color, you cannot display the text. To display the text, it will come in which color? Black. It will not be cross color. So we have a tag called font. Font, open and close. And inside the font, there is a property called color. White. So the background will be blue color and the paragraph will help you to print in the center and font will help you to print in the white color. Right here. I am from footer. Check now. So how many tabs you follow? Body, paragraph, and then font. Reason to follow the font is we wanted the text should be in white color. Okay, by default it will not come in white. So for that we follow another tag. Inside the paragraph there is no property called color. So color property is available under the font. So we call the font, and using font we apply the color as a white. Save the file. Run the footer file. See background white, background blue, text white. Background blue, text white. One center. Files are separate, but you are including in the which file? See, 3 files you created the separate file, and all 3 files you included under the main file. That is called which one? Home one. So home is the main file. See, if I go here and if I run my home file, how it look? It look like this. It look like this. This is the header file. This is the footer file, and this is which one? Welcome file. Correct. So all 3 are separate file, but if you run separate header, what it will give the output? Look at here. If you run separate header, it will give very simple line. It will give very simple line. One line, this much only. If you run the welcome, it will give this much only. If you run the footer, assume, let me run here footer, then this much only. All 3 are separate, but we wanted to have together. So what we did, we created a home one file, and inside the home one file, we use a tag called frame set, and using frame set, you divide it into how many blocks? 3 blocks. And using the frame set, you divide it into blocks, and using frame, you are including the file, you are calling the file. Correct? So src is nothing but it is going to help you to include a file, to call a file. Okay. Maybe within the folder or maybe some other folder. Okay. So final output should be like this. Header separate, footer separate, and welcome is separate. Clear? Anyone else? Something else? The look is something else? Or maybe your page is not found, or page is not including, or all header is on the top, footer in the middle, last, and home welcome is in the middle. Okay, if any error, you let me know. Let me share this code this much. If home file is getting dragged, if it's not showing the header, footer, and welcome in the sequence, you can replace this code. Okay, next after that, come to the home1 file. In home1 file, if you run it, you can see the border is coming. In the footer also have some border. After header also we have some border. This border you can increase or decrease. Come to your home file. In home file you have a frame set, rows equal to 10%, 75%, and then 15%. After that, you will write here border equal to 0. Complete border will get removed. You will not find any border. BORDER, border equal to 0. Border equal to 0. Border equal to 0. Given. Now check now. Again refresh your home file. Are you finding any border in between anywhere? No border. Page will be complete clean. Header on the top, footer in the last, welcome in between. No any kind of lining. Complete, it will show you the separate block. Something like this. After removing the border, hope look like this. Color combination is your choice, but the structure should remain same. Header on the top, footer in the last, welcome in between. Header scroll bar is coming. You have given here only 10. You have not given the percentage. Check this line. If any scroller here there, see this line. 10% is there, 75% is there, 15% is there. Percent symbol is required. If you will not give percent symbol, then a scroller will come. If you will not give percent symbol, that meaning it will consider as a pixel. In 10 pixel height, how can you display the header file? A scroller will come. So by default, it's pixel. If you will not write any pixel, then pixel will. Percentage, if you are not writing, then it will go for pixel. You are given, send your code, I will guide you. Send the code of home file. Send the code of home file will guide you. What is the problem? Frame set rows equal to 10%, 75%, 15%. After that, border equal to 0. Send the code of header file. Send the code of header file. Send the code of header file. Then I'll guide you. What is the... In this file, there is no any problem. This file is correct. In header file, what you have written? BG color equal to... Oh, very good. In header file, what you have written that you have not sent. You sent only half code. Send all code of header file. Send complete code of header file. You want to see our header file, how that look? See, our header file is here. Replace this code. Okay. I sent you the code of header file, replace that. The problem will get fixed. Sent already. Header code is in your chat. You can replace that. Okay, after that, see, this is one design is ready. So this structure, you understood what you are doing in this file. Number one, you have made 3 blocks. For all 3 blocks, you created the separate file. We created the separate file for each block. After creating the separate file for each block, we made a master file. Inside the master file, we have followed a tag called frame set. Using frame set, we divided into 3 rows. And after that, in each rows, using the frame src tag, we are calling the different file. So each file will come and it will take the place of different location. Check now, Chinna, you're working or not? Header code I have sent you in your chat. Can you send your all 3 file in the chat? I will guide you. I have sent you the code of header file. Have you replaced that? Yeah. This is the header code. You do one thing. You send again your header code. I will guide you what is the problem. Send again code of header file. Send again the code of header file. Okay, this is our second design. In the second design, you can see the first design you saw how many rows we have created. Total 3 rows. Clear? 3 rows we created. So we have not followed any kind of column property in this. We have followed only frame set folder, I will send you in chat all the files, replace that, whoever have the error. 3 files, 4 files are there, all came to your chat, you can replace if you have the problem. Any error, anyone? No error. Sumi? Paragraph is correct only. Where you wrote? What is the file name? Go to your home file. No, go to home file, no, home one. Which file you are calling? You are calling welcome. This is the file name is different. So how it will work? Okay. So next, after that, we will work on this design. The second design. Second design says like in one page there will be total how many rows? 3 rows. The first is 1, last is also 1, middle is also row only. The middle row is divided into 2 columns. Correct. So total in this, we need to have one header, one footer, one welcome for the right side, and one page called left for the left side. So total how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4 blocks. Okay. So in this, you are going to see the row and column both. So your header file remains same. No changes in header, no changes in footer, no changes in the welcome. These 3 files we are going to use the same. We are going to create one more file. Instead of home 1, we are going to create one more home 2. Under the home 2, the design will be different, but the header, footer, and welcome file remain same. So create next file, home2.html. home2.html. Okay, in home2.html, follow the HTML, and after that follow the body, not body, frame set. Okay, HTML open close, frame set is also open close. This frame set will also be like same, rows equal to how many rows? 3 rows. First 10%, 75, and last again 15. Create 3 rows and write here border equal to 0. Border equal to 0. So border will not come again. Frame set open close. Under the frame set, follow the first frame, src header.html. Second frame, frame src equal to, no, second frame don't call here, call frame src equal to footer. dot HTML. Call the first frame and call the last frame. So header will appear on the top, footer will appear in the last. Shortcut words I don't understand. So if you're writing any message, use proper words. GNG meaning I don't know. If you write going, I will understand yes is going somewhere. Okay, so header you wrote, footer you wrote. Check now where it is coming. Header and footer. Header on the top and footer where? Second. So now footer is coming in how much area? Footer is covering now 75% area. Okay, because it will follow the sequence. Header will go to the 10%. Footer will go to the 75. Last 15% is empty. So we are going to keep in between both. We are going to keep in between both header and footer. So here sequence will come for 75%. The first header will take how much? 10%. Footer will go 15%. This is the area now, middle one. Inside the middle, we have to write something. After that, it will be helpful. I have copied your code and I pasted here. See who is that? Muskan. I copy your code and let me delete first. Code is deleted. Deleted. Now I paste here. This is your code. Okay. See in this, what you have done is you open the header. Are you closing the double quote? No. Right? Here you open the SRC. Are you closing the double quote? No. How it will work? So if you open the code and close the code properly, look into my file. What I have done. I have opened double quote. I have closed the double quote. That's what I have suggested everyone. See, in my case, how color combination is coming. You are able to identify, no? Red, green, something, something. So follow the Notepad++. It will be helpful for you. Double quote, open and close. Now go here. See, there is nothing like I'm running in the urgent. After writing one line, I ask 5 times, working or not working. Okay. So when you are writing the line, we have to apply sense like as a developer, saying like, okay, I have opened double quote. Am I closing or not? Right? We have opened the frame set. Is it closed or not? Border double quote is started. Is it closed or not? Right? So why compiler will find our error? We can find ourselves only, no? After writing the line, read it. Yes. SRC you have followed, double quote started. Is it closed? No. Then close it. Okay, come down. Next, after that, in between, you are going to write call another frame set. Frame set, another frame set, open and close. 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 So this frame set height will be 75% because it is coming in the which sequence? First is header for 10%. Second should be 75. So at the place of 75, again you call the frame set. Now in this frame set, you are going to write calls. Calls. And then you will break into two non-equal column. One 25% and another one 75%. Two column we are going to create. One is the left column, another one is right column. Okay, after that, frame set calls equal to 25% and second column is a 75%. After that, frame SRC equal to create a file call left.html and you have to add one more frame set, one more frame welcome.html. Frame SRC equal to left.html, frame SRC equal to welcome.html. Save your file and check once. Save your file and check once. Page got divided into column wise. Left side it will say page not found because we have not created a file called left.html. Which one? No, welcome is there, footer is there, header is there. But this file is not exist, no? Which one? Left. We have to create it left.html. It is here. Look at this. It will look like this. This is the header on the top. There is a footer in the last. There is a welcome in the right side. And this is the left block. Check please. Border will not come by default. You have given the border equal to 0. So all the border will be disabled. You create a file left.html, a sky blue color. Create a file left.html, bg color sky blue. therefore what is called there? Yeah, that's the one. Wow, so the 25 for 25. Left, that is the name. You can browse it. There is a current rate 10, 75, 16, 400, say, range starts in HTML. Range 6 calls 25, 75, over 0. Range starts in HTML. Range starts in HTML. I need to save this one and is the same file here. Okay, now welcome is done. Left file is correct. If I left something missed for you, you can only record in the left side. Left.html. Left.html what you have. So the left.html, you have not created still. Come to the browser. Click in URL. Enter. Control Z. Enter. Are you? This was not. They was not resolved. We can browse and enter it. So something else is going to happen. What it was? So clean directs, then still left at the left one. Where is this files? Previous page was working. This welcome here, man. Footer here, man. This header out here. It's EAD here. Says header. It's EAD here. .html. Enter. This is the home door. Header, left is down there. Welcome here. Where is welcome? See welcomes. That's shortcut mobile phone. Type it right. You type in mobile phone. Same message you're writing there. Computer cannot understand shortcut. Clear, no? So write proper word, which is the word you wanted to write. See, footer is within 1 kilometer space. Rename. Yes, double Y space here. Yes, double O. .html. Okay. All 5 were misplaced. Footer. Then where is the footer? We have so here F00 is written. Okay, so Okay, so we can work for next design. So left file we have created. Left file, what is the BG color? Sky blue. Let's do like this. Left.html. Left.html. Learning of HTML is nothing but number one, learning how to type. Number two, identifying where is the single quote and where is the double quote. Number two, identifying the mistake of typing. That is the meaning of HTML. So all are static things. What you remember now, you will remember for the full life. So in this also, with a little patience, with your concentration, definitely some few examples will go here, there only, but we should try level best to make it better. BG color equal to which color? Sky blue. If you are watching anything from YouTube, okay, don't watch in only mobile. Okay, I have explained in my many videos how to utilize the YouTube videos. So what we do, we open the video and we start watching in mobile. We understand. After 2 minutes, we'll go for some kind of romantic video. So what will happen? You will forget everything. Will forget or not? So that way, YouTube video, you are wasting your internet data, you are wasting your mobile data, you are wasting your time, everything. That is not benefit at all. If you want to learn from the YouTube video, you watch 1 hour romantic video only, that is fine. But 1 hour at least keep for what? Study purpose. That time don't watch any video, other things, okay? So play any one video. He has written the code. So let's watch for 2-3 minutes, first 2-3 minutes, okay? After watching 2-3 minutes, pause the video. Once the source code will come, pause the video. After that, open your laptop, write that much, run your code, see some output will come. Again, pause your code and play the video. Problem, 2-3 minutes. Again, see, once you will come to the final code, again write that much in your system. Again, save the file and run it. That way you can utilize the YouTube video. If you see, no, I will watch the YouTube video, listen something, for new learner, that is not useful at all. I also play the YouTube video in my home. Okay, every time after the class in my home, YouTube video will be playing every time. Okay, so I will play the YouTube video, keep somewhere else. Okay, and we'll listen. Okay, he is explaining this thing. I know that. Something, if any new keyword will come, new thing will come, I will go near to my mobile. I'll see, oh, what he's trying to say, what is the code. Okay, because I know a lot of things, something will be somewhere unknown thing, correct? But for you, everything is unknown. So if you watch like that, no useful at all. Okay, so watch the video, see the code, write that, pause the video, run it, and or W3 also you are saying, only in mobile W3 will not help at all. Okay, W3, click on example, it will come, try yourself, example will open. That example don't see there only, copy that example, create a file in your local machine, save the file in your machine, run the file in your machine, modify in your machine. It will be impactful for your brain. Okay, if you watch from there only and modify there only, that after 10 minutes something else will come, you will forget all. So create the file in the system and run that, modify the code, that will be helpful. What we are doing here, 1 hour to 1.5 or 2 hours, similar way, that will also helpful for you. Okay. So hope you written left file, run that. Check once. Coming. So now this become how many blocks? 4 blocks. Hope similar for everyone. Okay, so we will work on next photo. This is the next photo. So in this, how many rows are there? 4 rows are there. First row, some certain height. Second row, more height. Third row, some height and equal width. Fourth row, full width. Correct? So what we did here, we created total 3 rows only. In this we are going to create total 4 rows, where first second will be one file, last will be one file, and the third second last will be breaking into the columns. Okay, so see that how it is going to come is, let me share you this code of this file. On the basis of HTML, we are trying to learn how to type the code. Okay, in HTML, you are learning how to type the code. Using HTML, you are learning how to type the code, how to write double quote, how to write single quote. Those single quote, double quote, due to one single quote, people struggle for a week in the office. They will miss out a single quote, they'll struggle for many days. Okay, so the code gone to your chat. Now we are going to create the next file that is called home3.html. Okay, so hopefully home3 should work successfully for everyone without any error. File name, no shortcut. File name, give proper. Since as of now you are not aware of, so I'm giving some file name, give like that only. Okay. While writing the file name, don't give a space. Okay, don't give unnecessary extra keywords. Write the proper file name. Okay, so we are writing the next file, home3.html. home3.html. HTML start from body, right here a frame set, and inside this first rows 10%, 10%. Second row, how much we can give? 40, 50, 90, it will be give 30%. Second row 30%. Remaining is how much? 10 plus 30, 40. Remaining is 60 still. In the 60, we want to break how many columns? 2 we have to do, no? We have to do 2. Total are 4. 4 are there. So become as a 40. Give 1 as a 60 is available. 45. 45. Last will be how much? 10. 30, 45, then 15. Here also we can give border as a 0. Okay, so first frame src header will come. Second, frame src, give a file called banner. We have to create the banner file, banner.html. Third will be footer. Fourth is footer. Here. Clear? So header, header.html. Header.html, banner, then footer. Now middle part we have. In middle part, again frame set, and this frame set will be calls. 50-50 you can give. 50%, comma again 50%. Header, banner, footer, then 50% and 50%. Modify that. So in first 50%, you will call a frame src left.html, and in second 50%, you will call welcome.html. You have to create a new file called banner. Check now. Banner part will be missing. Apart from banner, everything should work. Body tag is not required. I wrote. If you write body tag, it will not display you anything. Your compiler will be confused, saying like, what do you want to do? You want to divide the page or you want to display the content? Okay, so body will help you to display the content. Frame set will help you to divide the content, page into multiple blocks. Check now. So banner is not there. Header should come on the top. Footer should be in the last, and after that, middle section should have left and right. These two blocks should appear. You can create a file welcome as not welcome banner. Which color you will create? Pink color. Create a file banner.html. BG color is a pink. Banner.html. BG color is a pink. Banner.html. BG color is a pink. So ready? Banner file. See, this is left, this is right, this is footer, and this is the banner. Banner is missing. So we can create a file banner.html pink color. Okay, loading on. Loading. Body tag. You know, say it, knowledge. Here is the 10, 30, 45, 15, double 4. Double 4, 1 more is missing. Fifty, right? 8 and 50. Banner is 8. Okay, so hope running. Banner file we created. Banner file we created. A file with the pink color. BG color is a pink. Banner.html. BG color. BG color is a pink. H1 is the right inside. Welcome banner. Align as a center. Align as a center. Hope running. Check now. Banner is here. Left, right, and page got divided into how many blocks? Total 2, 3, 4, and then 5 blocks. This is one advantage. This is one advantage. This is one advantage of frame set. Using that, you are dividing the page into multiple blocks. Major advantage is still available, pending, that we have not seen. Okay, that we are going to see after seeing the input tags. These all are the output tags. Using that, you are displaying the output. Input tag is something else. After learning input tag, we will combine input and output together. There again, we use the frame set. And then we'll create the project in HTML using the frame set. There, input and output both will be together. Then you will see the main benefit of frame set. Okay, that logic will help you for the further future use also. Tomorrow we'll log in little early. That is called 4:15 early. Okay, 15 minutes before we can log in tomorrow. Okay, 4:15 to till 6 o'clock. Again, after a week, we can increase 10 more minutes. So it will become 2 hours daily. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to log in anyhow. We have the group. I will be updating in that. We will be login at 4:15 tomorrow. Okay, let me share you this file. Video 3, not video 3, home 3. Video anyhow morning I have sent you, right? In WhatsApp link, I have sent a video link from the YouTube. You can follow that. And again, Next 2-3 days, I will upload the example also in our website. So in case you missed out, go to the particular video. Every video will have a link in the body. Click on that. It will come to our website. Enter your mobile number and download the source code. Okay. So this weekend, I will modify that application. Then we can access. Video anyone can watch, no problem. But source code should not go to everyone. Who have the patience to watch 1 hour video? 1.5 hour. No one have the patience. People will watch 10 minutes and they leave. Okay, something. Okay. Unknown people, like suppose, yes, if movie is there, people can watch 10 hours also. Okay, but learning related, someone is speaking, someone is listening, he will randomly, he will drag drop here, there, and see, and after that close. That's all. Okay. Source code, if you have, then okay, you can see, and then you can place, see it, modify and see. Okay. Okay, then see you tomorrow. Video I'll send you today night, or maybe no, mostly today night I'll send. Yesterday some delay